All right, guys. On today's video, I wanted to talk about rolling coal. If you're a diesel enthusiast, you've probably heard the term. If you're new to diesel, you're probably maybe not as familiar with it. So I'm going to show you guys this quick video right here that's going to kind of help show you what rolling coal means. So watch this truck as it rolls by and watch the exhaust pipe. There's another one driving down the road.
God damn! What the? Oh shit!
Nice old truck. I like that truck. All right, so I think you guys got the deal right now, right? You know what we mean by rolling coal. It's when you're just pouring black exhaust smoke out of the tailpipe of a diesel engine. So what causes that to happen? So what happens is if you don't have the correct mixture of air per quantity of fuel that's being injected, you either don't have enough air or you have too much fuel, then what happens is called incomplete combustion. Incomplete combustion of fuel ends up as black smoke coming out of the tailpipe like this, right? So why do people have this happening to their trucks? Well, the only thing that really limits the amount of power that a truck can produce is how much fuel do you put in it, how much air do you put in it, right? You get max air, max fuel, you get max power. Well, if you're already pumping as much maximum air into the engine as you can, in order to make sure that you are using all of that oxygen to create as much power as you can, you just dump excessive amounts of fuel into the cylinders. That way, you know you're creating max power, burning as much as the oxygen content will allow you to. The result is that you waste a lot of fuel that comes out as what you see in this video, right? So why roll coal? Well, if you're racing, like you say you're doing quarter-inch drag racing, right? Quarter-inch, quarter-mile drag racing. Quarter-inch racing would be pretty cool. Okay, so if you're doing drag racing or something like that, then yeah, you're at the line, you got your foot on the brake, you got your foot on the throttle, you're revving up the engine, you're rolling that coal out so that as soon as you let off of that brake, you got max power to hit that launch, right? In tractor pulls, you see it a lot because they really don't care about fuel economy or the health of the engine. At a tractor pull, you're just trying to get that tractor or that trailer that you're pulling as far as you can before your engine stalls out or before you run out of juice or your engine blows up even. So whenever your speed and raw power is your desired element here, then it makes sense to do what you're seeing in these videos, which is just pump fuel into those chambers and create as much power as you can, and you're going to be rolling coal when you do it. Unfortunately, it's also become really popular with just diesel enthusiasts to get their daily driver to roll coal. Ultimately, though, if it's your own personal truck and you want to roll coal, then whatever. But in the commercial world where I kind of live and function in, rolling coal is a sign that you're throwing money out the window, right? In a trucking fleet, fuel economy is one of our two biggest factors that determine how much it costs to run a truck fleet. And if you're rolling coal, it means you are not getting max fuel economy. Therefore, you are wasting the company's money or the fleet that you work for. So seeing something like this come out of one of my truck's tailpipes, if I was a fleet manager or a fleet technician, means that I would probably be working some overtime trying to figure out why it's happening and fixing the problem, right? So I hope this kind of clears up. Black smoke, number one, unburnt fuel. All right, it's partially burnt fuel is the better terminology for it. Unburnt fuel will come out as more of a vapor than a black smoke. But so ultimately, there's only two ways to correct this if you consider it to be a problem. Number one, you need more air, or number two, you need less fuel. So one of those two, you're trying to get to the best burn possible to where you're only putting enough fuel in that you have oxygen to burn. And the perfect ratio of fuel to air is called the stoichiometric ratio, where you burn exactly the amount of fuel you put in at the exact right time. And so these guys obviously are not doing that. I will, however, say that I do not have a giant stick stuck up my ass. I think this is really cool. But I don't have a truck that does that myself. So let me know what you guys think in the comments. Rolling coal, good, bad, environmentally dangerous. Who gives a shit? It's fun. Let me know what you think. Curious. I know that the younger people are a lot more environmentally conscious than some of us older guys are. Uh, but I see a lot of young guys out there with these diesels, especially at the school where I teach, where they're doing their best to roll some serious coal. So please like and subscribe. Please let me know if you have any diesel related questions that I can make a video for you guys for. And I appreciate you guys tuning in. So thank you. Bye.